chicken.
What?
Be crazy now and more.
Yeah, or you open your mouth and then eat this.
Ay, baby, ice cream. Ice cream. Ngayon, ikaw. Akin din yun? Hindi ako. Ay na? Akin yun eh. Ito lang akin.
Naupo ka na, Dad. Ice cream ka pa ng ice cream. Ay na, sit properly. Ayos. Yeah, finish it. Here's the rice. Chicken.
Hey,
Kulang yung gravy.
hmm?
Yung gravy, kulang. Ang laki na kasi ng chicken ng McDonald's, you know? No? Yeah. Laki na ng chicken. Kaya bitin na siya sa
Ayun na.
gravy.
Hawak.
Tawa ka.
I was right there.
Oh, go na. Oh, go green. Green.
Madulas ka niya.
Sabi mo, say green, go.
We go. Cars.
Mm.
Go. Red. Red. Go.
Ang galing ni Aina. Mauubos yung 1 cup ng rice, ah. Very good. Sit properly.
Hawak mo. Hindi ako sabihin ng bakal. Ito. Pinutol-putol na yan. Yung sa likod ng tatlo.
Eh, but later na. Finish muna this one. Bago magwawater. Oh, Daddy, look at that. Why?
That's how to make the rice.
Rice only. Kala ko you want chicken.
Akin na yung ice cream mo. Ubus na ako eh. Akin na
Here's
isa.
your chicken.
Akin na isa?
Rice only.
Oo, hindi. Yung rice na. O, bilis. Kukunin, kakainin ko yung ano mo. Pag hindi ako kumain ng rice.
Oh. Open your big mouth. Ayun na. Enough na? More rice. Tama na. Okay. Marami na ubos. Okay. You drink water first. Get your water muna sa likod. Ay, nako. Naglalaro. Ano ba ito? Ito na lang water ni Mama Sis. Yeah. Kumapit ka. Madaming tubig. After that, mag-ano ka na. Don't I finish the ice cream mo?
Kunti na. Oh, finish na ako. Akin na yung isa ulit. Akin na yung afterbird.
No, why not?
Don't shout.
I
Ay na ba yun?
Yeah.
Daddy JB.
Ay na.
Daddy JB. Daddy JB.
Yeah, don't believe Daddy JB. Char lang na yun, char.
Sabi mo, chan lang, Daddy.
Here's your ice cream.
Ay, akin yan, akin. Ay, chocolate.
Kasi po.
Sarap po!
Mm.
Wait lang.
Ah.
Walang binigay na tissue.
Sabi, no.
Okay. Okay, it's your turn. Ubusin mo yan, ha? How about fries? You don't like?
Hi! So, french fries?
Yeah, I'm gonna make sauce sa french fry ng ice cream.
Finish na ako.
Dali, akin na yun sa'yo.
Ay na, not finish. Ay na.
Akin na yan.
Huwag ka na mag-loko-loko. Dad, punasan mo naman yung bibig mo. Oh. May bakas pa ng ice cream sa bibig mo.
Yeah.
Sarap. Para ka namang hindi nagkaan.
Tapos,
Masakit ba? Pag lagi ka nag-good girl, lagi kitang bibili sa McDonald's ng ice cream.
what?
Tsaka ng french fries. Hindi lang yun. Pag lagi ka nag-good girl, I'm gonna buy you all the toys that you want.
I thought that I made the ice cream. What I make?
Oh, malamig talaga yan, ice cream yan. Sige na, finish na. Oopsie.
Oh, I don't say that. I don't that ice cream.
I-cover mo dito sa hangke. Yeah. Para hindi ka ma-cold arte mo eh. Okay. Now, you can eat your ice cream.
Yay. No,
Padip.
Oh, deep. Deep. Deep.
I-dip ko yung fries ko sa ice cream.
What? So they deep?
Yeah, yummy. So yummy. Sabi na sila siya sa ice cream. Again, ba't naman small lang? Mami naman bumili niyan eh. Isa pa. Okay. Lagi nilang maliit. Greenwich. O, daddy. Fries.
Ah, it's no toad.
Sige, ubos mo yung ice cream mo.
Okay.
Dito sa mo nga yung fries mo sa ice cream na. Ayan na, sumaw-saw na si daddy sa fries mo.
Ah!
Ano ba naman yan?
Listen! You will not to me like those french fries.
Sorry. That's dirty though.
Hey!
Hawak mo kasi mabuti.
I don't use french fries.
Dirty. Eh, inaalis mo kasi yung
Makain ng ice cream.
ano eh, yung clip mo eh. Your ipis, nire-remove mo kasi. Kaya tingnan mo yung eyes mo. Natatakluban na. Oh yeah. Sarap ba yan? Tapon na naman ha. ready yung yellow?
No,
O yung
no,
orange?
no, Nina, no.
Daddy, ano yung yellow? Sa red, ano? Sa...
No, green is
Warning.
no.
Parang ready, gano'n.
I don't know what green
Warning.
Wala, mas marunong ka pa kay mami.
No, the green is no.
Yeah, green is go. How about the red?
Red is stop.
Oh, how about the yellow?
Yellow french fries.
Anong yellow french fries? Yellow is for warning sign. Wala si Dad doon, tumatawid na yung matanda. Hindi pa mag-stop.
Stop.
Sige nga. Ubus mo na yan.
I see some
Wala nang french fries. Ubus na. Ubus na. Finish na, mami sis. O, anong balita kay Rotary? Take ako. Ay, oh, giniba na to.
Wala na
no.
hospital?
No.
Yung ba yung
Sarado na.
ospital?
Oo, yun.
Hindi lang doon pa yung ospital. Yung katabi ng ospital. Sige na, ubus.
No, Baba help you. Mommy help you. Baba, he needs help you. Daughter. I said that a boo-boo.
Sige, finish na your ice cream.
Mama, my sister boo-boo. Baba, help you.
Sige na. Finish na your ice cream. Yummy. You like it? Sige na, finish. Wow. 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 Say it.
What's wow?
It means wow. Amazing.
What's amazing?
Amazing.
What's amazing?
I'm just amazed.
Oh?
Mm. Oh, wow.
Wow. Eat the ice cream.
No, you eat your ice cream.
Eat the
Ah, akin yan.
Ayaw mo na ba? Nagme-melt na, oh.
Kukainin ko yan.
Melt?
Oh, dali na, scoop na your ice cream. Big scoop.
Melt?
Melt. Malulusaw. Oh, sige na.
Okay. No, we're gonna take the ice cream right now.
No. You eat na that one. Ayaw mo na.
Ayaw na.
Tingnan mo, sa una ka lang magaling. Daddy, finish.
Ayoko.
Ayaw.
Seryoso ba?
Finish ka na?
Hello, bye-bye. Oh, hey.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Oh, press the red button.